राजकारणात कोणी रिटायर जावप हे सांगप योग्य न्हय. लोकांक ताचो निकाल दिवनी. जे जाणटे राजकीय फुडारी लोकां वांगडा आसात तांकां लोक निवडून दितले अशें आमदार बाबूश मोन्सेरात हांणी सांगलां. आरडीएक्स खातीर पणजेच्यान संजय मुनावली.
This has been deliberated like seniors, old people should retire.
Now, who is that to decide? No, can I tell you to retire or can I tell someone else to retire? I don't think that it is our duty basically to retire. Who retires anyone? Even a young fellow has been made to retire by the people. It is not that only old people are made. Now, who is asking for the retirement of these people? I don't think basically it is right to ask someone else's retirement. You cannot ask for this. It is you leave that best judgment to the people. Let the people decide. You may be 90 years old and he still, if he enjoys basically the support of the people, people will get him elected. That is a connect of his with the people. Who am I basically to tell this fellow has become old or that fellow? I think one fine day we will also become old. But I am sure till then I will not be in politics. But I am just trying to say very clear that we should not be making judgment on someone else's whether he should contest or not. I should think about myself, because I always say the younger fellow also has been sent home by people. It is not that because he is going old, because that is the reason, because he must have not cared for them. So it is clear.